Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to Shabbar Digital Creations. In this video, I will show you how to create this stunning flower design using just a few simple tools in Adobe Illustrator. Let's get started. First, I draw a perfect circle using the ellipse tool. Then I cut the circle at all four anchor points, top, bottom, left and right. I selected the entire shape and went to the edit menu to make 3 copies using copy and paste in front. After that, I applied the zigzag effect to add some curves. And then used the Pucker and Bloat effect to give the shape a more floral look. I selected a red color for the design and moved it to one side. Then I duplicated the wool design and placed it on the other side of the artboard. Finally, I used the shape builder tool along with the shift key to merge and clean up all the overlapping shapes, giving it a smooth and beautiful finish. And that's how this complex looking flower was made using very basic tools. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video, subscribe to my channel for more creative Adobe Illustrator designs. Thanks for watching, keep designing and stay inspired.